Intelligent Linear Motor Drive Wire Cut EDM. Schmeer has brought together Taiwan's first-rate suppliers for its Intelligent Linear Motor Drive Wire Cut EDM. This series of products has the following 5 features. High-performance linear motor drive. The in-house linear motor delivers frictionless performance, no backlash, no loss of energy conversion, no vibration, and high response. The design also means the service life is greatly increased. i8 Plus Energy Saving System. The new generation i8 Plus power system delivers a superior machining speed to the past. Using the newly developed IVC high-frequency switching power supply, it can adjust stabilization and voltage, keeping the machining temperature stable and also isolate the load from the power supply, ensuring the safety of the electric discharge while raising overall efficiency by around 15% and saving 20% of energy use at the same time. Energy-efficient water circulation system. The IWA Intelligent Working Aid System incorporates the most advanced automatic water charging function and can automatically refill when the water level is low. It can automatically lift the working door through a programmable function, and together with an intelligent leveling control system to achieve fast filling and draining. The operating procedure needs just 1/3 the time of the previous generation, a major increase in efficiency. AWT Automatic Wire Threading System. The threading mode can be freely set according to conditions, easily removing any threading problem and achieving the possibility of continuous processing. The unique EC tension control technology can produce a threading success rate of close to 100%, bringing the possibility of unmanned smart production. It also has functions of breaking point recording and immersed threading, reducing the restart, draining, and filling process waiting time. Human-machine interface, mobile networking. The new CT-HMI 2.0 human-machine interface conforms to ergonomic design's intuitive operation. A cloud server collects data, allowing for storage of the machine's important historical information. Smartphone app software delivers real-time monitoring and automatic notifications, while machine data can also be retrieved via backstage login. This series of machines was developed and manufactured by Schmeer, a company founded in 1975 and located in the Taichung City Precision Machinery Innovation Technology Park. The company specializes in catering to the large-scale mold and component machining needs of the aerospace, automobile, energy, and 3C industries. Its tailor-made wire-cut EDM with self-developed high-precision submerged 6th axis of rotary table can carry out indexing work precisely and without complication. Schmeer established itself first through die sinker EDM, subsequently extending to wire-cut and high-speed small-hole drilling technology, with a consistent focus on non-traditional areas of processing. In recent years, Industry 4.0 has spurred a global wave of smart manufacturing. As an equipment supplier, Schmeer's first step is as a supplier of smart machinery. The second step is to apply this technology to Schmeer's own smart production. And finally, to help clients set up smart production lines to strategically establish an integrated smart manufacturing ecology chain. Schmeer is the leader in Taiwan's EDM and wire-cut EDM industry and also among the world's top 5 EDM manufacturers. It is one of a very small number of manufacturers to develop machine tools core controller. Regarding production, Schmeer is implementing its exclusive CPS, Schmeer Production System, that can efficiently produce high-quality machines with a short lead time. Its factory is bright, spacious, and fully air-conditioned. It is also tidy, thanks to the thorough implementation of the 6S Lean system. A customer satisfaction rate of over 90% is the best proof of the quality delivered. Looking to the future, Schmeer strives to be a world-class leading brand in non-traditional processing technology solutions. Positioned as intelligent non-traditional processing total solution to be marketed globally through its own Schmeer and AMS brands. In addition to die sinker, wire cut, and high-speed small hole drilling EDMs, the company is moving further laser cutting machines and electrochemical machines for comprehensive product lines for a new era of non-traditional processing.